Where does my bio actually live on Substack, and how is that different from my description? You may have just written both with the help of the growth bot, and now you're staring at the dashboard wondering, where do these things go? So let me show you exactly where to go behind the scenes to put both your bio and your description. When it comes to your bio, what that's really referencing is here on your, what I like to call your author profile. This is your specific profile where it's showing everything that you wrote, anything you've engaged with on notes, and it can take you to the different publications that you have. And so when it is talking about bio, it means this, just like on your normal social media platforms, this little description of who you are and what you do. And to edit that, you simply click Edit Profile, and then right here you'll see it says Bio, and you can type what you want in here. When it comes to description, that is a bit different. That is describing your publication. So we could think of it as like a bio for your publication. And to find that and edit that, you would go to your dashboard, you would come down to settings, and then from there you have a couple of options. It's right here at the beginning under basics, publication, short description, and you can write that right in this spot here. Another feature I love to show people is here on the left-hand side, you can search the settings. So if you're ever missing something, not quite sure where it goes, you can type in description. You'll see I started to type it in, and it does bring up not only that short description space, but also your about page, which might be another thing that you need to edit, especially if you're editing your short description. Now you know exactly where to go for both your bio and your description. If this video helped you understand what's possible on Substack, but you're still feeling into what makes sense for you, that's exactly how my Substack Growth Kit can help. It brings together tools and guidance to help you make decisions, explore ideas, and move forward in a way that feels true to your work. You can explore it below, and if you're already inside, you're right where you belong.